Can you translate this sentence to English? Anyị gara ahịa ịzụta ji, agwa, ose, nnu, ede na akpụ. Anyị gara ahịa ịzụta ji, agwa, ose, nnu, ede na akpụ. You know, some people na-asụ ịzụta, ụfọdụ na-asụ igote. So, whichever one is saying the same thing. Now, if this is a video you would like to watch, I urge you to subscribe and follow my page. Let's dive into it. Okay, G is translated as yam in English. G is yam in English. Agwa is beans in English. Ose is pepper in English. Nnu is salt. Ede is cocoyam. Akpu is cassava in English. Now, let's look at the sentence, the complete sentence. Anyị gara ahịa ịzụta ji, agwa, ose, nnu, ede na akpụ. Now, let's translate it to English. We went to market to buy yam, beans, pepper, salt, cocoyam, and cassava. Has that been taken? Okay, let me take it again. We went to market to buy yam, beans, pepper, salt, cocoyam, and cassava. Run up your market, whichever one. The most important thing is that you understand what I'm saying. Anyị abụrụ ndị ọcha, anyị na-asụ etu ike anyịra. Ndị ọcha febe asụkwa Igbo anyị. Okay, so have you taken that? Okay. Now let's quickly look at anyị na-aga ahịa. Anyị na-aga ahịa. Translate it to English. What will it be? Have you done that? Okay. We are going to market. We are going to market. Anyị na-aga ahịa. We are going to market. Okay. The last one here for now. Anyị gara ahịa Eke ụnyaahụ. Anyị gara ahịa Eke ụnyaahụ. You know, in Igbo land, Igbos, we have 4 market days. Eke, Ore, Afọ, Nkwọ. So it depends on Kende Nazu na Befa n'obodo fa na village ha. So here this sentence says Anyị gara ahịa Eke ụnyaahụ. So how would you translate it to English? It is very simple. Or have you done that? Okay, let's go. We went to Eke market yesterday. We went to Eke market yesterday. That's it. Okay, hope you have learned something today. If you really did, I urge you to subscribe, follow my page, like, share, and comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can simply say thank you Mazi, or Mazi Ndewo, Mazi Jisike, Mazi Dalo. Thank you very much once again, and see you in my next video. Kemesia.